Right, okay, so I'm doing this video again. This is what I got in the mail. I showed you my address, I didn't mean to, but anyway. So this is what I got in the mail, and this could be an AliExpress item, or it's I don't even know what it is because I haven't opened it. It could be gym items. I don't know what it is. Right, so let's just get into it. This is exciting. I like to show you these items. This is probably going to be a gym item. I haven't got my scissors with me, and if you can hear anything, it's my washing machine going. And it's just going crazy. I've had to come back into my bathroom because they're really busy next door with banging on and stuff like that. So we're back in here, and yeah, so that is what it is. Oh, right, okay, so it's like doubly packed. Oh, I know what this is. This is the AliExpress gym suit that I bought. And I'm sure I paid £8 for it. This is what it is. Right, okay, so you see it that like that. This is an all-in-one suit. And so there you go. So that is the pants there. It's a little bit sticky, as you see. You can hear me tearing it off. Look, it's just stuck like that. So that is it. The size. What size are you? I don't know. It doesn't have the size in it. But like, so that is it. There we go. I'll probably like put some pictures or something and show you what it's exactly like. But for the quality, I mean, for £8, I really think that is like actually good quality. It's got really good sewing and everything like that on it. Don't know if I can give you a close up. Can you get close up? I'm not really good at camera work. So as you might have noticed, that it does have a zip. It does have a zip, but what is that zip for? Oh, right, there it is. It's like got a zip going down it, down there. So I don't really be able to see it, but this is how you get into it. I wouldn't have noticed that zip. And I think the zip is going to be a bit tricky. Right, so the zip goes all the way. Does it go all the way down the back? Yes, it does. It goes all the way, so you have like all of that to get in it. And does it have a label? I'm sure I saw a label. No, oh yeah, it does. It has a label. So I ordered the size large. This is 95% polyester and it's 5% spandex. So it's not machine washable. Is it machine? No, it's not tumble dryer. You can wash this on a 30. You can iron it, and it is machine wash on cold. And yeah, so it's made in China. It says do not tumble dry, do not bleach, and yeah, so that is it. I mean, I think for £8 that's a bargain. And I've seen these on Wish as well, but I got mine from AliExpress, and I quite like it. It's really, really a good item. Right, so that is what all I got in my post today. So So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, like, share, please subscribe to my channel, and also smash that bell button. Just smash it and like and do all of those fun things that makes you feel good, that you've actually helped somebody.